Are you ready for the future of transportation? Imagine a vehicle that can function both as a road vehicle and as an aircraft. That's right, we're talking about flying cars. The concept of a flying car has been around since the early 20th century, and many prototypes have been built using a variety of flight technologies. In recent years, we've seen significant progress in the development of flying cars, with several companies working on bringing them to market. In this video, we'll explore the world of flying cars and take a look at some of the most exciting prototypes and commercial models that are currently in development. Get ready to take to the skies and hit the road with the latest in transportation technology. What is flying car? A flying car is a type of vehicle that can function both as a road vehicle and as an aircraft. The concept of a flying car has been around since the early 20th century, and many prototypes have been built using a variety of flight technologies. Most designs have been intended to take off and land conventionally using a runway. However, the Aeromobile is a high-end vehicle that can be driven on the road and flown in the sky. The Aeromobile is the result of over 10 years of research and development by a team of engineers and designers. It is designed to set new standards of innovation, driver and passenger experience, and safety. Recently, there have been some significant developments in the flying car industry. For example, Aleph Automotive has developed a vehicle, aircraft called the Model A, which is drivable on public roads and able to fly. The Model A has received an airworthiness certificate from the FAA, making it the first flying vehicle that is drivable on public roads. Aleph Automotive has also received 2,500 pre-orders for the Model A, worth $750 million. Additionally, the co-founder of a Swedish company called Parton commutes to work in a space-age vehicle that can fly and drive on the road. However, for a flying car to be mass-adopted, it must be capable of safe and reliable operation both on public roads and in the air. It will also need to be environmentally friendly, able to fly without a fully qualified pilot at the controls, and come at affordable purchase and running costs. What are the potential benefits of flying cars? Number 1. Reduced travel times. Flying cars can travel faster than traditional cars, and they can also avoid traffic congestion by flying over it. Number 2. Improved access to services and goods. Flying cars can provide access to remote areas that are difficult to reach by traditional cars. Number 3. Environment protection. Flying cars can be designed to be more environmentally friendly than traditional cars, with reduced emissions and fuel consumption. Number 4. Flexible transportation. Flying cars can provide flexible transportation for inter-urban mobility, solving traffic congestion and providing a great alternative for inter-urban mobility. Number 5. Increased travel time reliability. Flying cars can offer increased travel time reliability by reducing traffic congestion and avoiding road closures. However, flying cars also have some potential disadvantages, including Number 6. High cost. Flying cars are currently expensive to produce and purchase, which may limit their accessibility to the general public. Number 7. Noise and pollution. Flying cars can be a source of noise and pollution, which may have negative impacts on the environment and human health. Number 8. Safety concerns. Flying cars must be capable of safe and reliable operation both on public roads and in the air, which presents significant safety challenges. Number 9. Energy demands. A substantial fleet of flying cars could demand substantial energy resources and appreciably increase the overall amount that humans travel. Hence, flying cars have the potential to offer several benefits, including reduced travel times, improved access to services and goods, and environmental protection. However, they also have some potential disadvantages, including high cost, noise and pollution, safety concerns, and energy demands. What are the maintenance costs of a flying car? Based on the search results, the maintenance costs of a flying car would depend on several factors, including the cost of insurance, fuel, and repair. Here are some estimates of the maintenance costs of specific flying car models. BMW flying car $2,068 per year. Fiat flying car $1,753 per year. Nissan flying car $2,632 per year. Volvo flying car $2,185 per year. However, these estimates are rough and may vary depending on the specific model and location. According to Motor Trend, owning a flying car will cost more than $740,000 upfront, which is a rough estimate since American prices for licensing, insurance, storage, and fuel would be different from the ones listed. Additionally, the yearly cost of fueling your flying car in the UK would be approximately £630.25. Furthermore, early adopters of flying cars may have a hard time finding parts or mechanics who know how to work on the vehicle. This could make maintenance and repair more expensive and time-consuming. In conclusion, the maintenance costs of a flying car would depend on several factors, including the cost of insurance, fuel, and repair. The estimates of maintenance costs for specific models are rough and may vary depending on the specific model and location. Early adopters of flying cars may also face challenges in finding parts and mechanics who know how to work on the vehicle. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you know more about flying car, tell me in comment section below. Thanks for watching.